In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track click and page load conversions using Google Tag Manager. First, decide what a lead means for your website. This is your North Star. Are you counting someone as a lead when they see a thank you page after a form, when a form successfully submits without a page reload, or when a specific call to action button is clicked? The most common approaches are thank you pages, form submissions, and button clicks. Choose the one that matches your site's flow, or set up more than one if you capture leads in multiple ways. Now head into Google Tag Manager. In your workspace, open Triggers and click New. We'll create a trigger for each lead type you plan to track. For a thank you page, select the page view trigger type. Change it to Fire on some page views, then set a condition where page URL contains your thank you path, such as thank you or success. Using contains is flexible and helps when your page has query parameters. For form submissions, choose the form submission trigger. You can narrow it to some forms and identify the correct form using form ID or form class. If you're unsure which to use, open GTM's preview mode and submit a test form to see the form variables GTM picks up, then use those values to target the exact form you care about. For button clicks, select the all elements click trigger. Refine it by using click text or click ID to target the specific lead button only. Again, preview mode is your friend to confirm you're matching the right element and not firing on unrelated clicks. With triggers ready, go to tags and click new. If you're sending conversions to Google Ads, choose Google Ads conversion tracking and enter the conversion ID and conversion label from your Google Ads account under goals, then conversions. Make sure you also have a conversion linker tag firing on all pages so your conversions attribute correctly. If you're sending events to Google Analytics 4, choose Google Analytics GA4 event. Enter your measurement ID and give the event a clear name such as generate lead or form submit so you can mark it as a conversion in GA4 later. Attach the appropriate trigger you created to each tag. Finally, verify and publish. Use Preview and Tag Manager, perform the action on your site, and confirm your tags fire when expected. Once it looks good, submit and publish your container. That's it. Your click and page load conversions are now tracked accurately with Google Tag Manager.